Okay, I'm going to go over not every problem, but I'm going to go over a few that I believe could be a little bit problemsome. Okay, um, like I'll go over these two right here. Let me do this one right here. So y equals negative 1 half x minus 3. Okay, some students were like, can I write on the back of this? Absolutely, that's fine. So I'm going to rewrite the equation y equals negative 1 half x minus 23. Okay, my y-intercept is 0 comma negative 23, and my slope is negative 1 half. Remember, a negative makes a difference, so I'm going to write negative 1 over 2, positive 2, or positive 1 over negative 2. What you don't want to write is negative 1 over negative 2 because the double negative turns it into positive, and we don't want it to be positive because the original slope is negative. Alright, so looking at these two possibilities, okay, remember the top is change in y and the bottom is change in x. Remember, changes in y is a vertical movement, which means up and down. Change in x is a horizontal movement, which is left and right, and you'll know which way to go depending on the sign that you have. So, how do we start? We need to plot our y-intercept, which is 0 comma negative 23. It better be on the y-axis. Okay, it was already used once. That's fine. So that means we're going to start this, but we're going to have a different slope. So let's see what happens from here. So down 1, right 2. Okay. Down 1, right 2. Whoops, not there. Okay, that's already to the edge of the graph. So obviously I'm going to have to go the other direction, which means up 1, left 2. So I'm going to go up 1, and then left 2, up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. That feels like it's missing it, though. Did I do something wrong? No? Let's see, up 1, left 2. Up 1, left 2, up 1, left 2. I guess we'll have to work with that one. Yeah. So, like, let's say it's just barely got her elbow, okay, but it hit her. So then you take a straight edge. Now, if you don't have a ruler at home, you can use like the edge of a piece of paper, okay? You can use the edge of a notebook, a binder, whatever works, okay? So, but the line does go, well, okay, let me take that back. The line does go through her. That's the whole point, is that the line must run through any part of the body, and it does go through her, okay? So that one, that equation, which was her or him, whatever it is, I'm guessing it's a her, is this equation. So let me find that zombie that I just killed, which is right here, and write that equation as the line that killed it. Okay? Alright, good. And then let me try another one. I think I'm going to try a positive one. Or let me do this one, because a lot of students might get thrown off by this. So I'll do two more. I'll do this one here. So y equals negative x. So I'll just kind of keep this organized. Y equals negative x plus 10. So what is the slope of this line? It's negative 1. And what is the y-intercept? It's 0 comma 10. But you can take that negative 1 and put it over a positive 1. Okay, or you change it to a positive 1 over a negative 1. Okay, so either of these are going to give you the same slope. So we need to plot our y-intercept, which is at 0 comma 10. Remember, y-intercepts are on the y-axis, hence the name y-intercept. So let's go to 0 comma 10. And there's my point right there. And then I'm going to go, according to my slope, I can go, this. Remember, this is change in y, so this is negative, so it's down 1 and right 1. So let's try going down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, okay. Keep going, okay, good. I'm not going to hit any other zombies, okay. But if I go the other direction, up 1, left 1, then I'm going to go up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, okay. That's the zombie that's getting hit. So let's draw our line and make sure that it's not going through any other zombies, which thankfully it's not, which means we did it correctly. So the line that killed this zombie is y equals negative x plus 10. So let's find that. This one right here, y equals negative x plus 10. All right. And then we've got, I'll do one more. I'll do a positive one. So let's say we do this one right here. Okay, y equals 4/3 x minus 2. So y equals 4 over 3x minus 2. Okay? So, let's see here. We can go 4/3, or you can go -4, -3. They mean the same thing. That's the slope. Alright, and then the y-intercept can be 0, or it is 0, comma, -2. Okay, so that's where we start. We plot our y-intercept, which is on the y-axis. It's at 0, -2, which is right here. And then we're going to go up 4, right 3. So from here, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Wow, I already found the zombie that I hit. Okay, I'm going to go the other direction just to have a few points to help me keep my ruler straight. So I'll go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and then left 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I've already hit the zombie, and I'm just going to make sure it doesn't hit any others. Yep, that's good. Arrowhead, arrowhead. Alright, so which equation was that I used? 4/3 x minus 2. Okay, and that's this one with the glasses. It's this one right here. And I'm done. Now I'm going to leave it to the rest of you guys to check your answer, do the rest of your own work, okay, based on the examples that I showed you. And you can always use your interactive notebook. Let me pull it out. I believe it's page 92, right here, to help you with the steps, and then you can see what we did here as well. Okay, so yeah, if you have any questions, you can always text as well, but all of these should be filled in with the correct equation, and all of the lines should be correct as well. Right, and I will be checking for that on Monday. So if you just have random lines, that's not going to work, guys. So I should see points plotted and all that. Alright guys, good luck on this, and I hope you do well.